Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to somewhere you've probably never consciously visited, the space behind your eyes. Right now, without straining or searching, simply notice that there is some space there, behind the busyness of vision, behind the strain of screens and reading and focusing and processing the visual world all day long. There's a quiet, dark, spacious place that rarely gets to rest. As you inhale, soften everything around your eyes. The tiny muscles that have been gripping and focusing and straining since the moment you woke up. Let them release completely, like unclenching a fist that you forgot you were making. And as you exhale, let that softness travel inward, behind your eyes, into the space at the back of your skull, across your temples, down through your jaw. Notice how the quality of your thoughts changes when your eyes are completely soft. The mental noise quiets, the urgency dims, something spacious opens up. Your eyes have been working so hard today. Let them rest in the darkness for just this one breath. I'm sending you so much love.